Stacey Ray's travel tips. Stacey.
Let's get one thing straight. I do not leave for a trip. I don't care if it's for a weekend getaway or a full international adventure without my snack bag. And I pack it like I'm traveling with a toddler. Except the toddler is me. Because I've lived through enough delayed flights, questionable airport food, and we'll stop for lunch in a few hours lies to know. If I don't bring my own food, I will 100% turn into a monster. Let's review the essentials. First up, the protein bar. But not just any protein bar. It has to be the New Go dark chocolate chip bar. It's vegan, gluten-free, no palm oil, no mystery goo. Basically, it's a superfood covered in chocolate and attitude. Next, peanut butter crackers. They're classic, nostalgic, and reliable. And they fill the emotional and nutritional gaps between meals, bad moods, and blood sugar drops. And speaking of peanut butter, yes, I also carry the individual peanut butter containers. Because I'm not an animal who's going to carry like a full jar. And because sometimes you just need to emotionally dip a pretzel into peanut butter in silence while reevaluating your life. Which brings me to pretzels. Salty, crunchy, perfectly shaped for scooping up peanut butter or just rage munching in airport chairs. Of course, then we have the cashews. Why? Because I'm a grown woman and I like a fancy nut. They're classy, they're filling, and they pair beautifully with chocolate and more chocolate, backup chocolate, emergency chocolate. I have layers of chocolate stashed in multiple pouches like I'm running an underground operation. And by the way, dark chocolate is the only way I'll go. And then there's the controversial item, Tic Tacs. Yes, I know they're technically breath mints, but I treat them like a food group, and I will pop 6 at a time like they're a snack. My daughter tells me that doesn't count as nutrition. I told her neither does the side salad at Cheesecake Factory, so here we are. And now let's get wild. I bring, wait for it, unicorn poop. And before you panic, it's not actual poop, obviously. It's these fruity, pastel-colored marshmallows that taste like joy and childhood and poor decisions. So when I need a sugar hit, a mood lift, or just a reminder that life is short and travel is chaotic, I bust out that unicorn poop. No regrets. Now, you can't just eat, you have to drink. So now I have my sugar-free cherry Kool-Aid package, because I refuse to drink boring bottled water. Not to mention that I have to offset the sugar in the unicorn poop. Oh, and I also travel with liquid IV because I'm at the age where I need to prehydrate before walking too fast through an airport terminal. So yeah, I pack my own snacks, like I'm traveling with a tiny child who gets hangry, tired, overstimulated, and sweaty at the worst possible time. Because that tiny child is me. So if you see me in the airport, halfway through a New Go bar, clutching a baggie of unicorn poop like it's gold, just know, I am not high maintenance, I'm just prepared. Especially because I usually end up bringing it all home. For real. So now, if you'll excuse me, I need to reorganize my snack pouch. The peanut butter shifted, and I take that very seriously.